guys, my name is LyricRochester. Welcome to my channel. This video is all about LONGQI HAIR. They're the ones sponsoring this video, and thank you so much LONGQI for sending me this wig to review. Listen to me right now. When I tell you this is hands down one of the best, I'm going to say the best unit from LONGQI that I've ever gotten wig wise, only because it fits me perfectly. You see how, and I said it in the video, you see how it's nice and flat at the top. I have done nothing to this hair. When I tell you this is like a shake and you go, this is literally take it out the pack. Where's the brush that I've been using? Just kind of smooth down the edges and you are good to go. Like it can't go up on the road. Look at this, look at this. I did not think I just like got to be the side, which everything, whatever I did to this hair, which was nothing, is in the video. I am so grateful to LONGQI for this, man. I'm telling you, they've been rocking with me for so long. I'm hella grateful to them. Their quality is above in Jamaica. I don't know if it's in Jamaica, but it's a cut above the rest, you know. This is a full wig. You guys want to see that in the video. I don't want to make this intro too long. I do have 2 more videos to film after this one, so do bear with me. And yeah, this is it for this intro. They're Brazilian straight. Gosh, they're Brazilian straight, and I am loving it, honey. Okay, I enjoy the video, guys. Oh, and this makeup look is brought to you by Yadi Cosmetics, because why not? I am fresh faced because I want to do a tutorial, like a full glam look for you guys, featuring LONGQI HAIR. Okay, let me show you what I got. So whenever you see a box like this, it simply means that it's definitely a wig, right? So there's their packaging, pretty nice little sticker right there, and it says human hair. And at the back it says with FAQs. Oh, so this is what it looks like. Hey, I got me one of those, and in here, yeah, this is a thing now. It's a thing now where they give it like these thingies to adjust the wig if you have to, and of course this wig cap, one size fits all. And I for sure I'm gonna put one of these on, because as you can see I am bare. Oh, it's just one. Come on, it. Okay, so let's go ahead and put that on. All right, let's look at this wig. It's their Brazilian hair, and oh, it doesn't say how long it is, but I believe it's 22 inches based on the email. So like that. Oh, I've always wanted one of these units with the thing. Oh, LONGQI, so romantica. So romantic. All right, this comes in there, this on that, and just take the net off, and this is it. Wow, so this is their Brazilian straight out the pack. Ain't nothing but a G thing. Ooh, and it comes with a center part already. Oh my god, it's like ready to wear hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take the lace as well. I'm a trombolic. Blessings fall from the horizon. Wow. Okay. Alright, so that was Yadi Cosmetics. So this is the wig. I cut it down. I have my little bonnet on. Oh, let me adjust the bra straps. The strappies right there, let me adjust them, because y'all know my head is small. I don't think you guys realize how small my head is. So when I make my wigs and you guys buy them back, I have to make the wigs bigger than my head, because my head is so small. I have some big head people who want to buy the wig them. Don't be offended if your head big. If your head big, you're cute to the big head. You know what I mean? I mean, cute to my look like. You know what I mean? Oh, this feels nice and snug. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I need to color right there. So, but woo, girl, I want want to know. Thinking of you, only you. Right, so this is what we're looking at straight out the pack. But let me go ahead and do my makeup. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love this little string thing. You guys have no idea, man. I've been trying to do it. I've been trying to get it back home. So I'm gonna turn the fan on and do my makeup, featuring Island Gal palette from Yachty Cosmetics. Yachty yachty, yachty yachty. Ooh.
Built in dirt and garbage and crap anymore. No, that's not it. No, that is it. That is what it is. Huh, okay. If you say so. It's this new thing I figured out how to do the crusty stuff and the feces. What did you put together? I'm calling it soup. Now, see, there's already a word for soup. I spilled some on my chest this morning at breakfast. Okay, so then soap or whatever. I mixed together and...
Alrighty, so I just tapped on my little edges right there. Just tapped them down a little bit with some little got to be free like. So now I'm going to take my palette, and I already set my brow bone area with the same powder I use for my all over my face. That's my Sacha Buttercup. So let's go in with, ooh, yes, let's just try Fluffy Diva. And I want to do like a brown smoky. I hope it comes out how I want it to. Gosh, every time I mean, I just love these colors. Look at that. They're so vibrant. Oh my god. Hella vibrant. Hella vibrant. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with Slimmers. That's that purple. And I'm putting it further down from Fluffy Diva. Then I'm going to go in with brown. No, let's go straight in with Bad Girl. First, let me use my LA Pro Primer and lay a base. I have not been laying bases for these, for my eyelid. I do like for this area when I want the colors to pop in that area, because there's a lot of movement that happens right here, you know, and I kind of pick my eyes throughout the day, so I want that area to be a bit more vibrant, more than usual. Bad Girl is like purple. I thought it was a brown, but I'm seeing like hints of purple. Yeah, I like that. And you know what else I like? I like Texas for my exes when they want to take a chance. Let's see what I can do to right here. This is just the concealer I use for my brows, but I like using it as a base. Blend that out, and I want to do green. So this is Good As.
The content game has been changed forever. We know that. We know this is the coolest f***ing guy that's ever lived. We know that. We know that for sure. I mean, maybe if we play our cards right, he'll let us be like a part of his entourage or something. Oh, that would gather our things. Let's do it. Wait. Wait, do you think maybe he's not a god and he just has a really big ego and he's addicted to the tiny little dopamine hits he gets every time he gets a notification?
Oh my gosh, you guys, I forgot that I was in our talking video. So I'm going to put my concealer again in this area. And do some... Alrighty, so let's take this same brush I just used. Oh my god. Alright, there we go. And I use the green up top. So do we do like yellow? Yes, let's do this one here. And then going with let's do Miss Jamaica. Miss Jamaica. And my thing, this is looking really washed out. It looks so much more better in person. So Miss Jamaica, and then purple, 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 purple. Let's do Miss World or Baby Girl or Goody. Me use Goody already. No, me use that already. Miss World, me use Miss World already. Let's do this one, Catty. I feel like I'm gonna do Catty already too. I feel like me use Catty already. And Catty is not a matte, it's like, it has like a satin. Oh.
This video is sponsored by
Okay, you guys, so this is the eye makeup. Yo, I'm feeling the heck out of this hair. I have not flat ironed it. What? Don't ever. I have not. But I'm loving this so much. This looks so good. And I did nothing to the part. Nothing. And it's like where the hair goes back, it's like a perfect distance, you know, like where it stops here, but then it's flat. And I love when my hair is like that. It's like nice and flat. Wow, straight out the pack, ready to wear. I knew it. I knew it was not about to be a fussy hair. Okay, so I'm looking for some lip stuff to put on my mouth. Chocolate. Pudding. Okay, so let's go with pudding. And pudding this is the lipper from Yardie Cosmetics. I want to say Yard Girl. So guys, I am using natural light, so if the lighting keeps changing, my apologies, but that's the reason. Let me wipe this off my hand because I don't want to get foundation and gunk in my hair. Throw it on the floor, clean up later. So guys, this is the finished look. Everything, I just tacked down the sides a little bit with some Got To Be freeze spray, not too much. And this is the hair, like right out the pack. Let me see if I can zoom out. This is the hair right out the pack, like legit right out the pack. This is, I love this like hair, this blonde streak at the front. I love it, and I'm so grateful it came just, oh my god. This, I was going to say flat, I have to finish all my F words when I'm speaking. But I just love this. It is definitely ready to wear, you guys, like legit ready. Let me fix my little toppy shit. It's legit ready to wear. Look at that. Look, I have not flat ironed it at all. Not in a least bit have I flat ironed it. It's really nice. I love it so much. And it looks as if, look, it looks as if they cut the ends. Like the ends look really sharp. No, I'm sorry, it's not looking sharp. If I hold it up, when it's just laying flat, let me see if I can show you guys. So when it's like that, you see how sharp the ends look? The ends look hella sharp and nice. I love this. Look at how gorgeous this looks. LONGQI. I'm loving it. And then with my makeup look today, honey, snatched. I love it. I love it. So I'm not gonna like continue blowing smoke up LONGQI's, but it's really good quality hair. I like it. Feels it has a little bit of coarseness to it, but it's just so smooth, guys. No heat or anything has gone in this hair. And what I've been using it to brush was just like this regular brush. It's not even like a real wig comb, a wig brush. It's just like a regular old brushing. But yeah, so this is the end of the video. Thank you so much, LONGQI, for sending me this hair, the Brazilian straight wig. Wow, I'm pleasantly surprised. I love this. Talk to you guys next video.